All right, guys, today we're gonna be reviewing a 3-in-1 cigarette lighter. This one comes with a special this one comes with a special port for your Starlink Mini. So let's see what comes in the box. We got a manual up here, tells you everything you need to know about the product. Has something else in here. Let's see, this is 6 months warranty, 30-day money back guarantee, and it has 24-hour support. Remember that. So this is how it looks. This is the product right there. So the ports, it had USB-A, USB-C, and this is the port for the Starlink Mini power. So this is how it looks. It's really nice. It's pretty light. So this has a USB-C and USB-A charger. So when you go travel, you can bring your Starlink Mini with you and have power, so you can have internet anywhere that you go. If you go camping or you go out of your state, you're traveling somewhere, and you need to have internet anywhere, you plug this to your car, you plug the power cable here, and now you can have charge your phone, anything else that is USB-C, you can do that, or USB-A, your switch or any console or anything that you want to charge, you have 3-in-1, so you can charge your power your Starlink Mini and then charge or power any device that is USB-A and USB-C. So it's very convenient. Like I said, if you go camping or you have a power station that has a cigarette lighter, you can put this in, and then you have a power source for your Starlink, and you'll have internet too. So definitely recommend it. Very well priced, easy to use. As soon as you plug it, you will see a blue light here that lets you know that is ready to go. And then you just plug your devices and you will be ready to go. Small enough you can put in a backpack or in your pocket and take it with you anywhere. So definitely recommend it. Check it out. Check the reviews. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.